if you're a student of mine, you already know we don't like scripts. I think you need a basic outline, especially if you're new, for something to follow along so you don't freeze up or get stuck or anything like that. And you need to absolutely know what information that you need to gather. After a while, that becomes second nature to do. But in general, all I want to do is get the seller talking. If I'm looking at a Zillow listing, I already have a lot of information. I've already looked it up on PropStream. It didn't take but a few seconds. So I already know pretty much what they owe, what their payments are every month, what the rent most likely is for that property. So I already pretty much know it's going to work before I'm on the phone with them. It's really just a matter of what their motivation is and if they're willing to do something with us. So I'm trying to just generate conversation because, the longer they'll talk with you, the more comfortable they feel with you. And then at some point, we'll get around to asking about making an offer, creative finance. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.